Hiya, welcome to Yoga for Fibromyalgia. My name is Sarah and I'm a yoga teacher living with and healing fibromyalgia. Today's class we have yoga for an easy morning. This is great if you just got up and you're still in bed. Let's get started. Okay, so wherever we are, whatever we're wearing, whatever we're doing, let's come into any comfortable seat so we can get ourselves settled. So maybe you're sitting up in bed. Maybe you made it to the kitchen and you're just sitting on your chair. Beginning to take some smooth breaths. Let's bring the chin down to the chest for a little stretch. The palms come and meet in center. So the inhaling back up. Great. Let's come and lay down on our backs so we can get a good stretch and some mobility in the hips. So take your time getting there. And when you arrive, bring your knees close to your chest as comfortable. Maybe you want to hold underneath, maybe on the top. Maybe hugging them close. And just spend some time here, maybe rocking and rolling side to side. Still with the deep breaths in and out. Maybe finding a little stillness. And I would like you to think of an intention or a word for your day today. Give it some thought, or maybe the first word that comes into your mind. Then let's take the knees open and we'll just pause there. And then let's make some big circles. So let's go in one direction first. Waking up the body nice and slowly. And in the other direction. Don't worry if your circles are smaller today, maybe the hips are a little bit tight. And then let's do them in just random direction. Fantastic. Bring the feet down on the floor. And when we're ready, let's inhale the left leg up high, right foot on the ground. Interlace the fingers around the leg if you like, or you don't really have to. If you're comfortable, you can just release your arms down. And then we're going to inhale, bring the toes towards our face, and then begin to make big circles with the ankle going all the way back and front. Notice how this stretches some of the muscles in the legs. Notice how it feels. Resist the urge to speed up. And swap the direction. Great. Maybe we're feeling a rush of blood come down the leg. Let's bring the knee up towards the chest. Let's bring the nose up. Big inhale. And exhale, release. Maybe we want to release the legs down for a moment. Notice the differences between the legs. And then we'll take it to the other side. Right leg up and bring the toes towards us and then around in big circles. Maybe we want to interlace the fingers around the head for support. And switch the direction, or maybe we're holding the leg. Feeling all that lovely blood and oxygen nourish the whole body. Bring the knee all the way in. Inhale, lift the nose. Exhale, release. Fantastic. Let's slowly roll onto one side. And we'll take a breath or two and we'll meet in seated. Rolling all the way up. Take your time. And we'll come into a seat. Today I'm going to use a block. You can sit in any comfortable position you like. And I'll turn to the side so you see me better. Okay, great. So yeah, you can sit up here on your block. If maybe you don't need a block and you sit on your heels. Maybe you sit cross-legged. Maybe you sit up on a chair on the edge of the bed. Okay, so when we're here, we're going to bring our left arm to the outer edge of the right leg and swim the right arm all the way around. Big opening, big twist. If you have another block or a prop, you could use that. Bring the earth up to you. And if you're fine here, that's great. Maybe you want to also look over the shoulder. Let's do 2 more big breaths here. Good. Let's inhale, bring the arms all the way up. And all the way to the other side. And slowly come back. Good. Give it a shimmy. And then we're going to do some cat and cow, but we're going to add in the arms as well. So on a big inhale, let's open up the chest. Arms in this like W shape or cactus arms. And then for the cat pose, as we round the back, bring the arms together. Drop the head and the neck. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Keep going like that. And maybe you want to play with the inhale and exhale. So let's inhale here. Exhale, open. Notice if that changes anything for you. Good. One more. And release. Back in center. Great. Great. I'm going to come off my little prop and just come into any old seat. Maybe release my legs long a bit actually. And let's mobilize the neck for our day ahead of us. So let's slowly come up, 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 and down, down, down. Maybe over to one ear, and all the way back to the other. I encourage you to feel out what feels good for you. Great. Maybe we want to come to the face and the jaw. Let's rub the hands together and place them gentle self-massage, just bringing the hands to the jaw, to the face. Breathing in. Massaging the jaw. The neck. All the way. Your whole body. Fabulous. Let's bring the hands to the heart space. Thank you so much for practicing with me today in this quick but nice sequence, and I hope to practice with you again. Namaste.